Good morning. Y'all ready for this? Hey, I'm Andrew, and this is a day in the life at Jon Wayne Service Company. Almost, you can put on a priority list in case something goes wrong. Hey, good morning, Brian. So this system gets an A+, and my day starts off with dropping off my daughter at school.
Love you, baby.
Have a good day, okay? So I just got my bin out of the truck. We're going to go put in my bin of parts into the warehouse so they can go ahead and restock my stuff for me. And then we're going to head into the meeting.
That's what I get paid to do. 1, 2, 3. Customers for life!
All right, so right now we're going to head out to a customer's house. They are as well part of the rescue club. Do some annual maintenance on both of their systems for them. Mr. Rod?
Yeah.
How are you doing? I'm Andrew with Jon Wayne.
Good, how are you?
Good, good. Nice to meet you, sir.
Good to meet you.
So we just got upstairs to the attic on the first system. Like I said, this is gas, so we are going to check for gas leaks first before we get started. Once I do that, check airflow real quick. We're going to go back downstairs and get some water and nitrogen. We're going to flush out the drain line to make sure nothing's restricted. All right, so we're out the outside unit now. We're going to go ahead and check out the refrigerant. We're going to check out all the electrical that goes on with the unit. Once we're done, we're going to take the fan off. We're going to go ahead and wash the unit, give it a good bath, make it look nice and new. We just want to make sure everything's operational. Again, we're out here for a yearly maintenance. We want to make sure that everything's going to be functional when we leave and that they're not going to have any issues anytime soon. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see y'all on the next one.